Okay guys, I welcome you all to today's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, and we will be checking it out one after the other right here in this video. However, before we go fully into it, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you love the content you're getting from here, can you give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family? Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. So guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading capital into something reasonable. So guys, quickly let's go straight into what we are right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trade indicator to do my analysis right from here. You can see it right from here. It started an uptrend, came to an end at this point, and of course it sold for a while, but it was unable to break out below the support zone. Okay, so this is very important, and of course it picked up right from there and started buying again. So it broke out above this resistance zone to get to a new resistance zone. At the pullback, we'll be going back there again to see if it will break out from there. If it's unable to break out from there, then it will start selling right from there, but for now it is still buying. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out together. Okay guys, this is boom 500, and of course this had been more of a downtrend than an uptrend. Okay, so you can see it kept on going down and down, even though there are pullbacks in between. Broke out below this support zone, and of course it's still selling at the moment. If it's unable to break out below the next support zone, then it will go back fully into an uptrend. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment. So next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out together. Crash 1000. So guys, this is crash 1000, and just where we have seen it, this had been more of an uptrend, got to this region, had a pullback, went back up again to get to this spot. Okay, it played around there for a while before breaking out above it, and it has gotten to this spot. Okay, it has not been able to break out from there, so it's trying to go back on downtrend right now. So this is still selling at the moment. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out together. Okay guys, this is crash 500, and just where we're saying this, okay, this had been more of an uptrend right from here, got to this region, had the pullback, and of course I went back there to see if it will be able to break out from there. So it has gotten to a new resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying. If it does not, it will go back on downtrend. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment until it is unable to break out from that resistance zone. Okay, so this is very important. Buying at the moment, might not be for a very long time in case it's unable to break out from the resistance zone. The next asset is going to be crash, volatility 75, not crash. Okay, it's going to be volatility 75. Let's check it out together. Okay, so this is volatility 75, and of course we're going to see how it is going with it. Okay, so it started an uptrend right from here, got to this region, the resistance zone. It's unable to break out from there. Okay, so you can see it right from there, it's unable to break out from there. So it started a downtrend from there, got to this spot, had a pullback, and of course still got to a new spot. It's having another pullback again. So this is still very much it's going into a downtrend gradually, even though there are pullbacks in between, still trying to fight it through. Okay, once it's able to fight it through, then it's going to sell more, most especially starting from here. Okay, so we expect more of a selling opportunity from there, except if it breaks out above the resistance zone. That is when it's going to buy more. Okay, but if it's finding it difficult to break out above this resistance zone, it will not be able to buy more. Okay, so once it comes down and breaks out below this support zone, then definitely it's going to sell more, and of course we expect it to get to this spot. Okay, so So this is very, very important. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every aspect of the trading strategies shared earlier, and of course understand the strategies very well, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.